Should a manufacturing company get involved in last mile logistics? In this video, we will take a look at how not getting involved in last mile logistics causes increase in investment and profit leakage, thus reducing return on investment. Last mile logistics is about delivering goods to every point of sale in the country where there might be customers for the company's products. Since these are spread out all over, it requires extensive warehousing and logistics facilities to do so. If product manufacturing companies were to do it, they would require much more manpower and capital. It would add to fixed costs and risk. Hence, this job is left to companies or distributors who have warehouse facilities and are specialized in warehouse management and logistics. By getting involved, we don't mean that manufacturing companies should do this themselves, but rather they should get it done from existing partners in a different, more efficient way which can be beneficial to all. How? Let us see. In many cases, sales is proportional to extent of availability, which means more the number of retail points at which the product is available, more will be the sales. It is common to find that products are available at less than half the retail shops in any given territory. This can be confirmed by manufacturing companies in just a few days by doing the following. 1. Select any market at random. 2. Go around from street to street and visit every retail shop that is selling their type of products. 3. Check with shop owners whether they are being serviced by distributor. 4. Find percentage of shops being serviced. 5. In service shops, check whether all SKUs are available. For example, in a market selected at random, a company might find that out of a total of say 126 shops in that market, 25 retail shops sell their type of products, and out of those, only 9 are being serviced by the distributor. So percentage being serviced are 9 by 25 into 100 equals 36%. Even in the 9 being serviced, it is common to find that some of them have stockouts of some products and that they do not keep entire possible range of SKUs made by the company. Significant extent of unavailability means lost sales opportunities. This is profit leakage. Since manufacturing companies consider this last leg of supply chain, that is, how goods are supplied from distributor to point of sale, as out of their scope, how many retail shops are getting supplies, with what frequency, etc. is left to distributors to decide. Focus of sales personnel shifts to making distributors buy enough quantity to achieve sales targets. Further, since performance against sales target is reviewed after end of every month, there is a greater effort in last week of the month to push sufficient quantity to achieve target. This creates month-end skew, which means instead of uniform sale throughout the month, that is about 25% of monthly sale in each week, sale is skewed towards month-end. Sometimes close to 50% of monthly sales happens in 4th week of the month. Eventually, it becomes a cycle. Maximum push up to credit limit of each distributor in last week of the month, very little sale in first 2 weeks of next month. In 3rd week, focus on outstanding payment collection so as to release enough credit limit to push again in last week and so on. This way of working has disadvantages for the company. 1. To incentivize distributors to buy more so that sales target is achieved, companies offer them various schemes, quantity discount, that is higher margins, more credit, longer credit periods, etc. All these steps cause either profit leakage or increase in investment. 2. month-end skew causes cycles of overload and idling in production and procurement. This unevenness causes drop in efficiency, increase in overtime and urgencies. It increases costs and profit leakage. Despite experiencing all these impacts, why do companies continue to work like this? Because of some mindsets such as 1. Distributors have limited working capital. The company must keep a good share of it locked in its business, otherwise they will divert funds to other uses. Giving inventory is a good way of locking funds. 2. Pressure of high inventory will motivate distributors to find ways of selling it. This will increase company sales. 3. Distributors supply to only those retailers who are reliable in payments, not to all. 4. Retailers want exclusivity. Existing retailers put pressure on distributors not to supply to other retailers so that their own sales will increase. How to deal with these mindsets and design and execute a different way of working that will benefit all parties involved, that is, end consumers, retailers, distributors, and manufacturing companies, we will see in videos to follow.